Hey guys, today I'm back inside of some more Roblox, and so today we're going to be playing some meepcity. So we have to just wait for it to load. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, so press that red button. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you guys my house. So this is the outside of my house. I have roses, but I have to wait for them 4 hours left to make on the other sides. So that's just the outside of my house. So let's go inside. So once you enter, you see some rainbow walls and you see this little hallway, and then I have some fog things over here. You can turn them off and back on, both of them. Okay, so now in here you see this when you first enter, and then what's so cool about these TVs is that you also can change the channel. But there's tons of different ones. I don't want to go through them. Or you can just turn them off, or you can turn it off. Okay, we're gonna keep it off for right now. There's this chair. It's actually really fun to sit in. Then there's that. I also can close this one. Somehow I can close that, and oh yeah, like that. Or I can open it. I like it open, and then I can lay in the bed, which is also kind of cool. So over here I have my computer with my chair, my mirror, and these little stones that stick up right here. Then I have my bed and all of that. Then I have my beanbag. And here's a movie room with my TV. I'm going to get some popcorn stands to go in there once I have enough money. In this hallway, I just have 2 picture frames. I have a desk with a lamp on it, and you also can turn that off and on. Then here's my kitchen. I have 3 chairs, and then I have a high chair. Then I have a trash can bin. Then I have some fruit and paper towels and all of that. Right here I have a banana couch, and then in here's my bathroom. I'm gonna get a shower to go right there, so don't worry. Then I have that. And what's the cool part about this is that you can also get in the tub if you press that, which is like that. Oh. Just like that, which I don't need to be in the tub right now. So let me just jump out. And then right here is how you turn it on. And you see it getting filled up, but then if you turn it off, then it goes down. Okay, so that's that. And then here's my party room. So there's the watermelon chair that you can sit in the middle of. Oh, wait. You can sit in the middle of. Then we have this banner up at the top. Then we have the music with the table. And then we have a hot tub. And then we have a singer little thing right there. Then we have something in the back. Then we have that. Then we have lights. Then we have balloon with a fidget spinner box that if you go over to it, I'll give you a fidget spinner. And what's the cool part is they actually spin. Somehow they spin. I can't remember. Okay, so then the next room in here is my living room. There's my couches. My visitors, it tells me how many visitors. Right now I have 1, and that's me, of course. Then I have my other TV. Then I have my fidget spinner box. And then this is not just a lonely chair. I'm going to get 4 chairs to go around it, and then a table. So yeah, so this is my house. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys my house. If you guys want me to show you guys some more Roblox videos, yeah, I'll show you guys some more Roblox videos. So bye guys.